cream, ice cream, ice cream.
Ice cream. Hey, what's up, guys? So we made it to Dang Nang, Vietnam, which is a beach city. So I'm right here on the beach, checking out the culture and the life of the people on the beach. So I'm just exploring the city. I'm taking you guys with me. We're gonna find out what this city is all about. What I like about this city, other than the beach, that has a lot of activities to do. You see, there are people parasailing, surfing, waves. They're exercising. This is just a place to come out and have fun and enjoy yourself. So I'm happy to be here. This is my type of vibe. We're gonna have some fun. Yes, you wanna take a picture?
Đội này chúng ta xong rồi, hãy giơ lá cờ của mình lên đi ạ. Giơ cao lá cờ của chúng ta lên nào quý vị.
So they're pretty much playing a beach game. I'm just trying to figure out what it is and see if I recognize it, but I don't.
Hoàn thành lá cờ đầu tiên, đội màu vàng chúng ta sẽ thượng sân khấu. Cờ của đội mình xin mời ạ. Lên hết cả đội. Lên hết cả đội rồi mời lên đội đỏ, đội cam.
Well, it was a rainy day, a rainy and cloudy day. The beach normally is much sunnier than this. I arrived on an overcast of clouds, so that's why it's a little dull. But we're gonna go check out this spot back over here by the mountains. I want you guys to go over with me, and we're gonna take a ride over there. Let's see what it's all about. So the people are friendly. I found someone to give me a ride. Let's go ahead and go.
You know the vibes out on this side. Yeah, you know the vibes. Been in this thing winning rings for a while. Put it to the test, I could win it in a trial. Ain't no need to flex, cause I know you see the style. Yeah, I know you see the vibes. Yeah. See the vibes, yeah, I know you see the vibes. I can't have it any other way. Want the trophy, gotta take it out my face, yeah. You ain't serious, then get up out the way. This is really what I do, so it's more than just a game, yeah.
So the place we are going, guys, is about a 20 to 30-minute ride all the way up to the top of the hill of the mountain. There's a temple, so that's where I'm taking you guys. We're gonna go check that out. So I love that the traffic is not too busy here. You see there's a ton of space on the lane. So yeah, it's a lot of freedom, much compared to Saigon. But yeah, my friend here, she's giving me a ride, and yeah, we're gonna go check it out together. So you guys stay tuned. So I think we're pulling up now, but I think we got lost. Wow. So she's gonna figure out and ask some people for directions to get more clarification on the address and how to get up to this place.
Đây là anh chỉ anh theo anh lên. Giờ em đi dắt vô quan còn thôi, chạy thẳng đây luôn.
Có không chạy bắt được cái này?
Đã được. Người ta đi bình thường nè.
Không nhìn con á.
Nó qua đây anh chạy giùm ra.
Đi tập cho quen.
Tại vì ông sợ ái thôi chứ. Vì nhiều cái mình giúp luôn phải không?
Đúng rồi, cái này là dốc đấy. Có màu chạy xuống rồi đấy,
xuống bình thường thôi.
Cái đi kìa.
Anh đi anh thu hoàng ngay đây. Ông xuống đây cũng được không? Đi quan ta lái.
Nghe mấy cái vùng đá xe là vì cái vùng lên dốc không dốc gì đó.
Lên dốc mặt ra lên bình thường thôi.
Mặt lên thôi.
Anh hồi lần nó xa.
Fry base. Banahil fry base.
Banahil?
Banahil fry base.
After all that, we finally found the place. Gang of stairs, but I'm happy to be here. Let's go check it out. Sorry for the footage right here. My bad, I didn't know my camera head was hanging off the tripod. But yeah, we made it. So this is what it looks like.
Wow. Boy.
So this is one of the coolest temples I seen on Da Nang, right there by the edge on the top of the mountain overlooking the beach. So if you come here, you gotta go check this place out. Make sure you find a free parking. Yeah, we made it. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna show you guys more of this temple in the next episode. But for right now, we're just gonna have a quick overview of what to expect if you come here. So this place is free. Come in here, walk around, observe.
Can fly Vietnam drone? Yes.
Learn a little bit
Wow.
about the culture, and get some good camera or picture footage for your memories. Alright guys, so we're gonna go into more in depth in this temple. You guys make sure you like, subscribe, and follow me for more content like this. We will have this in the next episode going over more things to do in Da Nang, Vietnam. So follow me on the way. You can follow me on Instagram on all platforms at Real Travel Speaks. Alright. Peace guys. I'll see you soon.
Not 10, not 10. Running up the score to know I'm locked in. You ain't on the team cause you're not him. If you ain't us, then you're not them. Yeah, you know the vibes. Been in this thing winning rings for a while. Put it to the test, I could win it in a trial. Ain't no need to flex cause I know you see the style. Yeah, I know you see the vibes. Yeah.